Hello and welcome to a quick presentation for preparing to use the Quicklook software for the 2017 Citizen CATE experiment. The first step we're going to do today is right after the totality sequence has completed. The first step you're going to do is to back up your data. This is the most important step in this process because if something were to happen to your data, you would need to have it in multiple places. So the first step you're going to do is back it up onto your external hard drive. So you would copy your MATLAB. So you would navigate to your documents and copy your MATLAB folder. Next, you would place that onto your external hard drive. Place a copy of it onto the external hard drive. Once this has been completed, you want to repeat this process with a USB data stick or equivalent, so that you have 3 copies available to you. So now that this is completed, let's look at why we have 7 exposures in our Eclipse sequence. So using the camera in our Arduino computer, we capture images with 7 different exposure lengths in order to capture different areas of the solar corona. This makes the fainter part of the corona visible in the longer exposures, as well as the parts of the inner corona which would be overexposed in the longer exposure images. So as you can see, we have 7 exposures here, ranging from 0.4 milliseconds up to 400 milliseconds. And so why do we have an HDR using these 7 exposures? So an HDR image allows the best parts of the different exposures to be combined into a composite image. This is accomplished by removing the overexposed parts of images and normalizing the composite. The result is an image where you can see the best parts of both the inner and outer corona. So here we have a rough HDR image. This one is from the Palu site of the 2016 Eclipse, and it's blurry because there were some data acquisition problems. But as you can see these structures in the corona all the way out from the inner corona to the outer corona. Alright, so the next step in your backing up of the data is to go into your MATLAB folder. Next, you'll want to go to the data folder, and in here you'll find all of the data you took using MATLAB. So you want to navigate to where your totality images are, and navigate to the middle of the sequence. And so you want to find a set of 7 good images in the middle of your sequence. These images will be used in the Quicklook code. So you want to select these a set of 7. And then using this set of 7 images, you would open your MATLAB software and then run the Quicklook program using these 7 images. These 7 images will then be processed, aligned, turned into an HDR, and then used, and then you would need to take that image and upload it to a source such as Dropbox. This completed HDR image will then be used to be combined with the other images in order to create a movie which will be used on Eclipse Day to be given to media sources in order for publicity. This concludes the Quicklook presentation. Thank you.